Imagine an arena that flips in a single day, basketball court by morning, ice hockey rink by afternoon, and a concert stage by night. That's the magic of Madison Square Garden. What makes a place more than just a building? Madison Square Garden isn't just any arena, it's the heartbeat of New York City. From championship games to sold-out concerts, it's been the center of attention for over 50 years. But what most people don't know is how unbelievably complex it was to build this place right on top of one of America's busiest train stations. Welcome to the story behind one of the world's most iconic arenas, Madison Square Garden. You've seen it in movies, watched your favorite teams play there, and maybe even been to a concert. But what goes on behind the scenes is just as exciting as what happens on stage or the court. With a $1 billion makeover and one-of-a-kind architecture, MSG isn't just a sports venue, it's a true engineering breakthrough. Back in the 1960s, building Madison Square Garden wasn't just about putting up walls and seats. The challenge was massive. How do you even begin to build a massive arena over Penn Station, a railway hub with trains constantly moving beneath your feet? Engineers had to think outside the box, and what they came up with was groundbreaking, a circular arena with a ceiling that curves inward instead of outward. This ceiling, the only one of its kind in the world, hangs from a central steel ring, supported by 48 bridge-like steel cables. That's right, there are no columns in the middle blocking anyone's view. The construction started in 1964 and was completed in just under 4 years, officially opening its doors on February 11, 1968. The man behind this design? Charles Luckman and his team, who had to build while trains kept running right below them. Incredible, right? What makes MSG so special isn't just the events it hosts, it's how fast it transforms. One day, it's a basketball court. A few hours later, it becomes an ice hockey rink. Then by the evening, it might be a concert stage for a global superstar. And this all happens within the same day. That level of flexibility is made possible by how it's built. There's even an ice rink underneath the basketball floor, kept cold by insulated material when not in use. It's like magic behind the scenes. Inside, the arena can hold around 20,000 people. For basketball, that number sits at 19,912. And for concerts, even more, depending on the setup. MSG also features 101 luxury suites and premium lounges like the Qatar Airways Club and the 4040 Club, offering guests some of the best views and comfort in the house. But let's talk about those ceiling bridges. The chase bridges, as they're called, are massive, each 764 feet long and weighing 325 tons. Inspired by New York's iconic suspension bridges, they give fans a view like no other without crowding the floor below. Fast forward to 2013, and MSG got a complete makeover, without ever closing its doors for long. This renovation wasn't just a fresh coat of paint. It was a full-scale transformation that cost around $1 billion. About $400 million went into strengthening the structure, $300 million into upgrading fan areas and luxury suites, and another $300 million into new tech. Just the chase bridges alone cost $85 million to build. The massive video display hanging above the arena floor, known as the Garden Vision Center hung display, came in at $40 million. MSG now has 360-degree LED screens, better locker rooms, high-speed Wi-Fi, and some of the most comfortable premium seating in the world. From the hardwood to the ice, every part of this arena was upgraded to the highest standards. You can't talk about Madison Square Garden without talking about where it's located. Right in the middle of Midtown Manhattan, the arena stretches from 31st to 33rd Streets between 7th and 8th Avenues. It sits directly above Penn Station, one of the busiest train stations in North America. More than 600,000 people pass through Penn Station every single day. That means fans coming from anywhere in New York or New Jersey can hop on a train and arrive just steps away from the action. While parking is hard to find in Midtown, most visitors use public transport. MSG is connected to subway lines, commuter rails, and buses, making it one of the most accessible arenas in the world. But building over Penn Station wasn't without drama. The original Penn Station building was torn down to make room for MSG. and that decision upset a lot of people. In fact, it kick-started New York's movement to protect historic buildings and led to stronger laws around architectural preservation. Over the years, MSG helped shape the entire neighborhood around it. Today, it's not just an arena, it's the center of a full-blown entertainment district. New restaurants, hotels, and stores have opened up nearby, all feeding off the energy MSG brings to the city. Even the 7th Avenue entrance got a huge expansion, now called Chase Square. It nearly doubled the arena's presence at street level and blends it better into the busy Manhattan streets. So how much money does MSG really make? A lot. Back in 1968, the original project cost $123 million. That's about $1 billion in today's money. But today, MSG generates around $925 million each year in revenue. The 101 luxury suites bring in serious income. Each suite can cost between $400,000 and $750,000 per season. That's over $200 million a year just from premium spaces alone. Regular Knicks tickets average $185, the most expensive in the NBA. Rangers tickets are around $111. Concert tickets vary, but often range from $75 to $350, with VIP seats going up to $2,000. Corporate partners bring in even more cash. Chase pays $30 million a year as the main sponsor. Delta, DraftKings, and Lexus all pay between $10 to $15 million annually. While MSG has chosen not to sell naming rights, estimated to be worth $50 million a year, it still makes over $150 million annually just from partnerships. Operating costs are also big, around $350 million each year. That includes $95 million in staff salaries, $75 million for maintenance, and $40 million in utility bills. But thanks to smart energy upgrades, MSG saves about $4.5 million a year on electricity alone. And when it comes to changing the arena setup from basketball to hockey to concerts, it costs around $100,000 per change. But the flexible design means MSG can host 2 to 3 different events in a single day during busy seasons. During the renovation, MSG wasn't just updated, it was turned into a smart arena. The building now includes high-efficiency systems that not only save energy, but improve the fan experience. A powerful building management system keeps track of everything from air temperature to crowd flow. Over 950 Sony screens are installed throughout the building. Each can show specific content based on where you're sitting. The high-speed Wi-Fi lets fans order food, find their seats, or watch replays using the MSG app. And the new sound system and massive central display mean you can see and hear everything crystal clear from anywhere in the arena. For media crews, the old cables were replaced with single-mode fiber. That means higher quality broadcasts and more flexibility in how games and concerts are filmed and shared with the world. Madison Square Garden isn't just a building, it's part of the city's identity. Since opening in 1968, it's hosted events that shaped history. Think about it. Muhammad Ali versus Joe Frazier in 1971. The Knicks winning the NBA title in 1970 and 1973. Led Zeppelin's last US show in 1977. It's also where the Westminster Dog Show happens every year. Dating all the way back to 1877, MSG has hosted political rallies, charity events, religious gatherings, you name it. And no matter what kind of event is going on, the arena is built to transform within hours to fit the moment. Madison Square Garden is more than just an arena. It's a symbol of what's possible when creativity, technology, and determination come together. From its daring location above a train station to its billion-dollar makeover, MSG continues to lead the way for entertainment venues around the globe. So the next time you see Madison Square Garden on TV, or maybe walk past it in New York, you'll know there's a lot more going on behind those walls than meets the eye. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories about the world's most incredible structures.